Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable developer options on your Panasonic TN-43W70AEZ TV. First of all, let's open settings by pressing the gear button on the remote control, open all settings menu and navigate to system. Now in system select about, then in about navigate to Android TV OS build option. Once you select it, press OK 7 times until you see you are now a developer option on your screen. Now if you return to system, you'll be able to spot developer options right here. And here you'll have access to all the developer options on your TV. Now be careful using these options, as some of them may be dangerous if you apply them in the wrong way on your TV. But that's basically how you do it. If you want to disable them, just switch off the first option you see in developer options and they will disappear from the system menu. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.